Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Sit and Code. So today we are going to learn how we can remove the temporary files that we use frequently in our system. We have been using since a long time. So it actually records and holds the file on the temporary basis that we used in our system. So by removing these files they can accelerate the speed of the computer, and you can run any program is smoothly in your system. So here is how we can remove. So first click on window button, then shift के साथ percentage temp, then shift के साथ percentage, now enter. तो ये देखिए जो भी मेरे सिस्टम की टेम्परेरी फाइल है, you can see all these files here. Now I can just select all these files by clicking Ctrl plus A. And now if you want to delete this file, you can simply click on delete button in your system. If you want to permanent delete your files, you can click shift and delete. Then you can get the pop-up message, or you say you want to permanently delete this system for item. Then yes, I want to delete these 61 files from my system. So I just click on yes. Now you can see here uh, 250 and around 300 MB files are clear from my system. Now few files you can see that cannot be removed because these are the system files, so they need to be here to run the system smoothly. So these are all removed now from my system. If you simply delete this file without pressing shift, then it will go in your recycle bin, and then you have to delete from here. So it is better to delete your file by pressing shift and delete. So that's it, how we can remove the file. So hope you like this video, and yes, please like and share the video. And if you do have any query, you can comment on the comment box. Thank you so much, have a good day.